G'day guys, Chad here, your resident pitmaster and backyard barbecue expert. Today I'm back with more tips, tricks and recipes to help you become a real hero around the barbecue and the campsite. Quick, lazy camp quiche. We're down here by the river today. It's breakky time, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna show you how to knock these puppies out of the park. No mucking about with pastry today. So we've got some pre-chopped red onion, green capsicum and some cherry tomatoes here. We're also going to throw in some diced bacon, bit of cheese, got some cream, salt and pepper, our eggs, and these little beauties. Now these are those little stand and stuff type tacos. They're like little vessels, little boats. So we're going to fill our soft shell tacos with our mix and chuck them on the Voyager. We'll see how we go. So we'll start with firing that up and getting it warmed up. Okay, so we're going to warm that up at low to medium heat, probably in between if you can do it, but lower the better. We're treating this like an oven today. We'll start with cracking some eggs into our awesome mixing bowl that we have here today. We'll go all 6. I'm hungry, I think my cameraman's hungry. Bit of thickened cream. Don't use cooking cream, it's too runny. Thickened cream is the go for this recipe. Salt and pepper. Now we'll just give that a whisk to start with. So we want to blend those ingredients together. Looking for a scrambled egg type mix here. This was once shredded cheese, but the heat yesterday got to it, it's a little bit lumpy. Add a bit of this cheese, try and get as much shredded stuff as I can here. Give it another knock around, try and break those lumps up a bit. Yummy! All right, now we'll add our chopped ingredients, chuck the whole lot in, okay, and our bacon. Don't bother browning your bacon off, it'll cook in the mix. Just give that a gentle stir. And I think I might need just a little bit more cream in there, not a lot. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're after. There is, like I said, a lot in there, so they're gonna fill out quite chunky, but that's okay. So we'll lay out our little quiche boats, or soft shell stand and stuff type tacos. That one broke. Don't use any that are broken. If you break any, it's just your mix is gonna go everywhere. You don't want that. I think this should make about 6 or 7. We'll see how it goes. So now I'm going to attempt to pour a bit of our mix into each one. Use a spoon if you've got one. Try not to overfill it like I just did there. I am the messiest camp cook in Australia, I can guarantee you that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to chuck them on the outside parts of our Voyager. The reason I'm doing that is because I'm keeping them away from the direct heat as much as I can. Again, we're treating this like a bit of an oven today. So I'll go around the edges, away from the flame. Okay, we'll let them go for about 25 minutes, half an hour, and we'll give them a check and see where they're at. Right, they've been going for about half an hour now, maybe a little longer, and they are looking exactly where we want them to look. You can see they've got a bit of tightness to them. These look absolutely ripper. I am super excited to hook into these. Nice and cheesy, quick, lazy camp quiche. It doesn't get any better than that. It doesn't get any simpler than that. The perfect brekkie for when you're sitting out at camp, or a great snack for the kids during the day. They all love it. For more tips, tricks, and secrets on how to become a backyard barbecue master or a camp cooking legend, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And keep in touch with all things Adventure Kings on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And of course, you can get all the gear at forwarddrivesupacentre.com.au.